but like I see what you're saying.
Spell crewmate backwards right now.
ETAMWERC.
Wrong. Throw him out.
I don't know what I am yet.
It's
I hope
Will.
I don't ever over by a police officer on the suspicion of drunk driving and then get told to do the alphabet backwards because like I
What
definitely
if you
can't.
he says spell crewmate backwards?
And then you start, and he's like, that's kind of sus.
Kind of sus, throws you out.
I don't have anything to eat.
He's just a poor boy. He doesn't have any food. I hate back a job. It's so fucking shit. Use your big brains, boys. I'll be back in a minute.
I just
Okay.
fucking found
Alright.
that shit. I know, I promise, I swear to God, I just found it.
Alright,
I swear to God.
Alright, Lane.
Jonah, please. Jonah, please. I swear to God, I just found this body.
I saw
I
the
just
vent
fucking
open
found
up.
it. No, you didn't.
and
You didn't see the
electrical.
vent open because it didn't open. Jonah, I am the terrorist. I didn't kill him. I swear to God. I've been AFK since the beginning. I saw the body. I didn't want to report it because I knew this was going to happen. And I swear to God, I'm not the... I didn't kill him. I didn't kill him. Just let me play the game. I'll kill everybody that's not one of us. I promise. I'll even tell you who the other one is so you can avoid him. Please, just don't vote me. Please.
Never heard so much like. I feel bad if I vote for it now.
That's going in the folder.
That's also going in the folder.
Fair.
I feel
Of course I did kill him.
Alright,
I wish
Justin,
Lane
roll.
could have just done like voice to text what he just said in the chat.
What?
why do
What?
people vote for you?
What?
Wait, what?
What? No.
Lane convinced me.
What?
Guys,
Oh,
do you
it's
want a
Will was
seance?
Please, Lane. You know what has to happen.
Are you requesting a
By the way-
seance?
Lane.
I will
Fucker,
say
Lane.
that I was pretty suspicious of Jonah at the start there, but
Oh god.
Please, someone follow me.
I
Someone
didn't wanna be
follow
alone.
me.
Don't put his mom. Jack me off.
Come on, man. We gotta go. We gotta go.
We gotta go.
alright.
That's the worst thing ever. I promise it's red.
Fuck!
What?
I was one fucking vote off.
You get what you fucking deserve.